I begin to.
Hi guys, it is Say and Leon, and today I'm back again with another interesting cooking recipe and a cooking vlog. So guys, before I go further, make sure you've subscribed, comment, like and share, and also subscribe to Say and Vin, to the Chiang's family, and to both my sister's YouTube channel, Akeo and I am Anyango YouTube channel. So guys, how have you been? Like mkoaje? How are you? How is your 2024? Let me tell you mine. Ours is we are okay. We are okay. We just thank God for life. That's all I can say. But I'm happy. So in today's video, by the way guys, we are cooking some recipe. I don't know if Nisha Ifanya, I don't know, but I don't think Nisha Ifanya. So in today's video, we are cooking fish skuma stroke ugali, but this fish ile yenye japikwa na mafuta bado, like this one, you see, inaitangwa aje fish kama hii, I don't know, but nitapika. So this one is one fish which I bought at which I bought at Yekosh, and nilibuy 300. It's so big. So I want to show you the recipe of cooking samaki ambaye itapikwa na mafuta. Yani samaki mbichi. Samaki mbichi. Yeah. So as you can see here, I have my blender. Then I have my onions. They are here. White caps at the white. I have my onions. I have my capsicum, yeah, green, yeah, red, yeah, yellow, then dania, then garlic. So first of all, we start by blending this one. Hold me close. Let me tell you something. I don't know if it's only me or we are many. When I normally blend my tomatoes, I normally make sure I've kept kidogo, just a little amount of water, because mi utaka my tomato ikuwe thick. As you can see, it's so thick. I love to blend my tomatoes so much because the food normally comes out like so delicious. Like you don't, you know, ukipika na nyanya, you normally find those canvas za nyanya. But ukipika hivi, my friend, it's normally slaps. So let's cut these ones. Then we start the cooking. After here now, what you do, you take your garlic, take a garlic yako, then stir. After imekuwa brown, Take your tomato. Unaweka ndio iwe nayo. Alafu chukua take your capsicum, all of them. Then start. Now we take our spices. This one is the mixed spices. More. This one is the cumin. Good. This one is the garam masala. Then fish masala. This one is the fish masala. It's over. It's done. It's kosher. Then stop. As you can see, our tomatoes inakuwa nzito. It's becoming very thick. Then salt, taste. Our liquid. A lot of reduce. So after that, what you do, you take your coconut cream. This one. Pour. Alafu wekeni maji, you put water. Now we add the water. Then take your fish, place them inside like that, and like that. So like that, guys. So my people, as you can see our fish now it's cooking itself, and now it is time for me to start preparing another dish, which is the kales or the skuma. So here what we shall do with this fish, once this side is cooked, I shall flip the fish so that the other side will also cook itself. Anyway guys, until here I hope you guys have learned something, because I know everyone normally has his or her own recipe, but me, I normally tell people this is my own recipe. So don't come and start telling me, oh, if I find evil, it is not like that. I normally tell you before I start, everyone with his or her own recipe. So this is my own and I love it like this. I hope some people, I know some people normally cook like this also. So wacheni even. In the meantime, tupike sukuma. Let's cook the sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki. Hizo ni chatu yetu huko.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
In the meantime, my fish is still cooking. Let me show you how it's cooking itself. Because, well, it's so yummy. You see? It's here. It's cooking like, whoo! I'm telling you. So, after here now, after the cans here, I want to put maji ya ugali, nipikange ugali because I want to do faster.
Unataka kuchoka mama peke yako, mimi nakusumbua.
Turn it on.
Guys, my food is now ready. Now it is time for me to cook my ugali, and let me tell you, I can't wait to have a taste of that fish because it looks so delicious. Like, where? So let's start cooking of the ugali. To pick ugali, then we see what's next.
Turn it on.
like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Ooh.
So my people, I'm now done, and here is the food. Let me tell you, the food already looks delicious because I can just tell by the look of the things. So here is my hubby, this one is mine, this one is ours, and my son ndakumpakulia sai. So let me just show you the full thing. So guys, as you can see, it looks like this. So my people, since tumepika, you know lazima tuonje chakula, and now it's time for the tasting. Let's try the food. Let's taste. So tuchukue buskuma. Watching. I like it. Guys, nakupea the fish. Because it's so yummy, like Jesus. Ni tamu. No. Guys, yeah,